Hey guys, it's me. That's my name. Make sure you spell it right. Okay. Today I'm going to show you a little bit more about my new game, Side Scrolling Experts. So, I could show you the source code, but that shit is private. So instead, I'm going to show you the binary. Okay, here is the video game. Uh, As you can see, it's got an installer and an uninstaller, and let's just look at the game itself. All right, so let's open it up in a hex editor. So I'll open up my hex editor and drag the game's executable here. And if you just look around, you can see all the shit in the game. Do you see all that data? That's amazing. Gotta get the padding. You gotta get the padding. Padding. Alright, so if you just take a quick look at this, you can see that it's 2.22 megabytes in size. That's not the whole game, of course. That's just the executable. The actual game is up around 130 megabytes. And this is just an approximation, though. The actual number is 2,329,600 bytes. But of course, you can't store things on disk without taking up a little bit more room. So it's actually taking up 2,330,624 bytes. Uh, Okay, I think that's enough of that information about that. But if you can go into the data, you can see that there's lots of data and lots of different folders with the different names. Let's just look at the music data, for instance. Okay, we've got 100 megabytes of music, and that's 105,293,464 bytes, and a little bit more on disk. And it's a DAT file, which means it's a binary. So let's open that up in my hex editor too. Okay, perfect. You can see it's all the data is different. I didn't just like go on the keyboard and just type shit like this. No, I actually took care to go through and pick each of these things carefully. Like, we've got a capital E here. Okay, we got a comma here. We got like a fancy little U with a hat. I thought that was the next character that I should put in, and then a plus or minus sign, and then an exponent 3, close paren, dollar sign 3, Y with an umlaut. You can tell that this is going to be a really good game already. Because I just carefully chose each and every byte that went into this. Because that's how you make good video games. Let's look at a random byte. Okay, this capital D here, which is at address 792 plus some. It's actually at well, you can take a look at it here in the data expector. Yeah, I think this speaks for itself. I don't know what kind of idiot wouldn't get this. All right. So this is a little bit too much, though. I'm not gonna. No, I'm not gonna do that. I want a smaller file to here, 170 kilobytes. That should be fine. Let's open that up in my. Oh, I closed my hex editor. Whoopsie. Open this up. Wait, that's the wrong one. Yeah, stage data. The stage data that contains all of the data for the stages in movement adepts. My new video game by me. So if we look at the stage data for Horizontal Kings, then it looks pretty much the same. It just looks like data, right? Right? This could be data for any game, but it just happens to be the data for Jumping Chiefs. So I'm gonna block off some text. So I guess I want to I guess a cool 200,000 characters should do. Alright, I'm gonna copy that shit. Yeah, of course. Why the fuck wouldn't I? And open up in a little text document and call it data.text. And paste all this shit in there. Alright. Now I'm gonna go through. Actually, I want to open up in a better text editor, so I'm just gonna save it and edit with Notepad++, the programmer's notepad, and then go through and replace all of these things with new lines. It'll take a little bit of time. Oh shit, I did it wrong. What the fuck? Undo. I need to do extended. Alright, this will take a little bit of time, but trust me, it's worth it. Some really interesting data is going to come out of this, I promise. Okay, now I'm going to save this. No, actually I don't need to save it. I'm going to open up Microsoft Excel. Where is that? Here it is. So Microsoft Excel, everyone. And I'm going to paste the data, the level data from Land Conquerors into Excel. And, okay. Actually, let me try that a different way. Hmm. Is there a way for me to... Oh, well, fuck it. I'll just paste it. And, alright. I'm going to chart it for you. This will take a little bit of time, but it's worth it. And, yeah, column chart is fine. Put it on our new sheet so you can see it a little bit better. Fuck, okay. Let's just make it bigger. Da-da-da-da. Get rid of the legend here. And as you can clearly see, I didn't just copy paste the same stuff over and over. We've got a pretty good variety of different datas. So if we take a look, like it looks kind of, yeah. We look at this data point, you can see, okay. Yeah, that's a thing. We can see that the data point 9,242, its value is 77. That's fucking fascinating. Okay. But yeah, that's about all I have to show you as far as area controllers is concerned. Join me next time and I'll show you even more of the data in foothold managers. Stay tuned for other updates relating to plateau monarchs. Oh wait, there's something I forgot to show you. I need to show you shit. It'll come to me in a second. Oh, I need to format the data better. The data from the level in support senseis. So I'm just going to get rid of this chart for now. Oh, what? Come on. This is bullshit. My video game is way better than Microsoft Excel. More like doesn't Excel. I should figure out how to make the fucking Excel better, like my video game Field Gods. Alright, fuck it. Okay. So, I'm going to format this correctly this time. So I'm going to make a, data. I'm going to sort it. Okay, perfect. I'm going to make a formula to analyze the data in Trail Champions. Let's say, okay, so this equals 0, and this equals this plus 1. I'm going to drag that down. Okay, perfect. If we do that, we can figure out how many instances of each byte are in each. Sorry, I lost my train of thought a bit there. Find out how many instances of each byte are in the level data for field. No, sorry, that's not the name. The name of the game is Ground Captains. So I guess we can just go all the way down. There's some nice 1s. There's some 2s and 3s and 4s. Look at all that. Some 5s, some 6s. Not too many 6s. Not too many. Lots of 8s. Some 9s. Some 10s. Some 11s. Some 12s. Some 13s. 14s. Let's just go all the way down. Not too many 16s. Not too many 16s in Walkway Overlords. Some 23s. Lots of 23s. Number 20. Not too many 24s. Alright, let's just scroll down a bit more. Got some A1s, like my favorite steak sauce. Not too many A2s, just a few. Just a few A2s. Scroll down a bit more. Let's get to my favorite byte, FF. Yeah. I think FF is my favorite 8-bit value. It goes from 00 to FF, and I guess I just like FF because it's the most, you know? So I've got lots of FFs. Well, not a huge amount. I had to use them sparingly. If it was just nothing but FF, it wouldn't be very good. There's also some FE and some FD. Alright. I think this data should give you a pretty good idea of what Mezzanine Nobles is like. So I'll see you guys around next time.